children. Today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is forest and wildlife. So in this chapter we will study about types of forest, uses of forest, conservation of forest and wildlife. So the large area of land which is covered by trees and shrubs is called forest. Forests are natural vegetation, right? Forest cover nearly one-third of the earth area. High mountain, deserts, rocky plateau and coastal areas. These are vacant of forest. So today forest provides shelter to all types of wild animals like soil and water, forest and wildlife. These all are the gift of nature. So forest and animals help in maintaining proper ecological balance. So in early days, what happened? The large area of earth covered with forest, with the growth of population and modern civilization, the area under forest considerably declined. So forests are removed as more land is needed for human settlement and agricultural activity. Environmentalists believe that at least one-third of the total land area of the country must be under forest. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? प्रॉपर इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस को मेंटेन कर सकते हो. At present, India has only about 1/5 of the total area under forest. Now, types of forest. We have many types of forest. First is evergreen. ये आपको वहाँ उस एरियाज में देखने को मिलेगा जहाँ पे रेनफॉल बहुत हैवी होती है, लाइक वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिट्स. Now, deciduous forest, it is a area or a forest that cover large area in India. इसको monsoon forest भी कहते हैं. They are found in moderate rainfall area. Most of these has been cleared for human settlement and farming. These shed their leaves in the dry season. Main trees क्या है? वो है आपके साल, teak, शीशम, sandal. These are commonly found at the foothills of Himalayas. Then we have thorny forest. So thorny trees, shrubs, bushes are found in dry and semi-dry area of Rajasthan, Gujarat and interior part of peninsular plateau. Common trees are babool and kikar. Cactus plants are also found. Spring leaves which reduce transpiration of water. Date palm grow around oases where some water is available in the desert. Tidal forest क्या है? These are the forests found in the rivers delta near the coast. सुंदरी tree most common example है जो आपको गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा में देखने को मिलता है. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज माउंटेन वेजिटेशन. हिमालयन रीजन में देखने को मिलती है. राइट. इट चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्टीट्यूड बिकॉज द टेम्परेचर गोज ऑन इन डिक्रीजिंग as we go higher and higher. As the lower altitudes, corniferous trees are found. These trees are evergreen और इनकी थोड़ी नीडल शेप होती है. Why? Because जो स्नो है वो easily slide off कर सके. राइट. नाउ यूजेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. फॉरेस्ट जो है वो क्या चेक करता है? एयर पॉल्यूशन. As tree exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide. Forests check soil erosion by controlling floods. They make soil fertile by adding valuable humus. Forests also help in causing rainfall. Forest provides shelter and what they provide? Medicinal herbs also. Right? Now, conservation of forest. Looking at the usefulness of the forest, it is necessary to conserve them. So, government and the various social organizations, they are making efforts like Chipko movement by Sundar Lal Baguna. इन्होंने क्या करा है? फॉरेस्ट को प्रिजर्व करा है. वी सेलिब्रेट वन महोत्सव एनुअली फ्रॉम 1 जुलाई टू 7 जुलाई. वाइल्ड लाइफ की अगर हम बात करें, सो फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड शेल्टर टू वाइल्ड एनिमल्स लाइक लायन, टाइगर, rhinoceros, deer, elephant. India is very rich in wildlife and certain species of wild animals are getting extinct and they are in danger. मतलब they are facing danger. हो सकता है आने वाले टाइम पे वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए. Right? Next is, if you want to conserve your wildlife, you have to maintain proper ecological balance. So what you can do, hunting of wild animals को legally ban करना है, पूरी तरीके से खत्म. Periodical census करना है, ban करना है. Export of tusk or animal skin. Various wildlife sanctuary, national park, bird sanctuary, biosphere reserve are set up to conserve wild animals. And we have 447 wildlife sanctuary and 84 national parks. Now, some of the famous wildlife sanctuary or national parks are, we have Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, Gir, Kaziranga, Sundarban, West Bengal, Ghana, Rajasthan, Kahana, Madhya Pradesh, Tachingam, Jammu and Kashmir, Periyar, Kerala. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.